Al-Humazah, the slanderer. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
وَيْلٌ لِكُلِّ هُمَزَةٍ لُمَزَةٍ.
Disaster is decreed for every slanderer, defamer.
الَّذِي جَمَعَ مَالًا وَعَدَّدَهُ.
Who amasses wealth instead of spending it for the good of humanity, counts it over and depends upon it as a safeguard against his future possible hardships.
يَحْسَبُ أَنَّ مَالَهُ أَخْلَدَهُ.
He thinks that his wealth will make him immortal.
كَلَّا لَيُنبَذَنَّ فِي الْحُطَمَةِ.
No, never. He shall surely be cast into the crushing torment of hell.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْحُطَمَةُ.
And what should make you know what the crushing torment is?
نَارُ اللَّهِ الْمُوقَدَةُ.
It is the fire set ablaze by Allah,
الَّتِي تَطَّلِعُ عَلَى الْأَفْئِدَةِ.
and which rises over the feelings of the hearts.
إِنَّهَا عَلَيْهِمْ مُؤْصَدَةٌ.
It, the fire, will be closed in on them, so as not to let them escape from it, and to also increase for them the torture of heat.
فِي عَمَدٍ مُمَدَّدَةٍ.
The flames of the fire will rise in the form of huge outstretched columns.